you doing? You okay? Hi, buddies. There go the little bunny. You see it? Hi. What you doing? You eating your grass? Right by my garbage can. You okay? I'm not trying to hurt you, precious. Yeah, I ain't not gonna hurt you. But I gotta put the garbage can up there. Yeah. You okay? Look at the bunny, see? He's okay, precious. You eating? What you doing? Say I'm trying to eat and you messing with me. I'm not messing with you. I'm just saying hello. I'm just saying hello. Hi, precious. How you doing? You okay? Oh, yeah. Now, this is a very calm bunny. Most bunnies, if you're in this much close proximity, I'm maybe about 7 to 10 feet away from this bunny, and this bunny is not moving. Bunnies over here are very timid and scared. Initially, the bunny was eating the grass that grows sometimes on the sidewalk right in front of my house. And I was told to bring the phone. I ain't listening. That's another story for another day. But this is a very docile bunny. It's not a very anxious or irritated bunny. It knows I'm very close to it, but it's not scared of me. Now, this bunny done been in front of my house a couple of times. And I got to see the geese today.